from a reckless driver smashing through the front entrance of a busy shopping mall.
20 quick rotates.
To a fiery Ohio crash where a fleeing car erupted in flames after slamming into another vehicle.
31, get an ambulance here. It's on fire.
These are the times when they pit at 100 miles per hour and don't care. On September 7th, 2025, detectives with the Santa Fe Police Department's Criminal Investigations section located a vehicle connected to an ongoing homicide investigation.
75, go on boy, I need a unit pit certified going in on this Siler, approaching Siler.
Around 5:25 p.m., the vehicle was spotted near Rufina Street and Siler Road. Officers moved in to make a stop, but the driver refused to comply and sped away, initiating a pursuit through the city.
We're going to be left on Rufina, 32 miles an hour. Going to be right on Harrison towards the shelter. Vehicle's going wrong way on Cerritos. Lavina, going down deck Lavina now. Speed's at 44 miles per hour. Turn around at Maclovia now. Speed's at 30 miles an hour on Maclovia. Attempted pit.
As the chase unfolded, officers and detectives coordinated to bring it to an end. A pursuit intervention technique, or PIT, was executed, forcing the vehicle into a controlled stop.
Attempted pit. Bill pit on Luana Street now.
Successful pit.
The driver, later identified as Abel Maez, immediately jumped out and attempted to flee on foot. Officers gave chase, and after a short pursuit, he was apprehended and taken into custody. Maez was transported to the Santa Fe County Adult Detention Center and booked on multiple charges. Don't miss the next wild chase. Hit subscribe now. In December 2024, Temple police officers reported a reckless driver traveling northbound on Interstate 35, later identified as 53-year-old John Schultz. Dashcam video from DPS trooper Brody Telfer captured the initial stop attempt. Despite contact from the patrol unit, the suspect refused to pull over and instead accelerated, fleeing westbound onto Interstate 14.
All parking lots and features.
We're looping back around here on the south side.
South Holland parking lots and features.
After several miles, the vehicle left the interstate and drove across the grass, heading straight toward Killeen Mall. Upon arrival, the suspect circled the parking lot briefly before accelerating through the front entrance of J.C. Penney, crashing directly into the store.
Any quicker updates?
Trooper Telfer exited his patrol car and pursued on foot as the truck barreled through the mall, striking fixtures and endangering shoppers. Officers quickly entered the building as the vehicle continued forward, then reversed before lunging deeper into the store.
Down on the ground! Down on the ground! Down! Out of the way! Out of the way! Move out of the way!
Multiple shots were fired by Trooper Telfer and other responding officers in an effort to stop the vehicle. The truck eventually came to rest inside the store, with its wheels spinning and smoke filling the air.
Away! Reloading! Shots fired! Shots fired!
I'm gonna break this way.
All right, all right.
5 people, including a 6-year-old child, sustained injuries during the incident, but none were killed.
Hey, he's gonna run around. Like the door. I don't like it.
Boys over right here.
Watch out for the glass. Watch out for the glass. Don't get touched. All right, Aaron. You guys good? All right. I'm gonna go back inside. You guys good?
In September 2025, a Tontitown, Arkansas police officer attempted to stop the driver of a vehicle after it ran a red light on US 412. Instead of stopping, the suspect accelerated to speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour while fleeing eastbound. The pursuit came to an end near the 612 bypass construction zone, where the vehicle lost control, crashed, and rolled up an embankment. The driver, identified as 32-year-old Chad Douthat, had to be extricated from the wreckage and transported to a local hospital. His injuries were reported as non-life-threatening. Douthat now faces multiple charges including fleeing, reckless driving, driving on a suspended license, and possession of a stolen vehicle. Before we move on to the next case, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In September 2025, Dashcam and bodycam footage captured the dramatic end to a high-speed chase in Maumee, Ohio. The pursuit began earlier in Bowling Green, when police attempted to stop a Chrysler 200 connected to a prior incident. Officers lost sight of the vehicle near State Route 582 and Dunbridge Road.
I'll be behind 6 now.
Rollover 3, okay, behind it.
Yeah, he just swerved to try to hit me. He just swerved right after he tried to hit me. I had to avoid. We're northbound on 199.
Okay, northbound 199 somewhere.
Stand by, let me get my boys. 100% though, tried to make intentional contact at me.
Speeds in traffic.
103. White male, curly hair.
They're going to be approaching Reed, it looks like.
At approximately 9:46 a.m., an Ohio State Highway Patrol trooper located the Chrysler near State Route 199 and Dowling Road and re-engaged in pursuit.
Northbound through Indiana.
Traffic volume is starting to pick up. Based front of the alley.
Traffic moderate.
I don't know what he's doing, he just went head on toward the lights.
The chase came to a violent conclusion at the intersection of Dudley and Conant Streets when the suspect's vehicle collided with another car and immediately caught fire.
80.
Crossing the river, speed 80.
Yes, he's 31.
39.
We're good. Just stand by, Warren.
He's still going. I think he's only on 2 tires. "31, get an ambulance here. It's on fire."
Okay.
Let me see your hand!
Are you on the bridge?
So, sir, you still continuing?
Rollover 3, are you on the bridge?
The driver, identified as 24-year-old Jeffrey D. Hunt II of Bowling Green, was pulled from the wreckage and transported to a local hospital for treatment before being booked into the Wood County Jail. He faces charges of failure to comply and aggravated vehicular assault.
Rollover 3, are you on the bridge?
5, Dudley and 45.
Dudley and 25, okay.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Well, we've got 6 at gunpoint vehicle stopped. He's getting out of the vehicle now.
The other driver sustained minor injuries and was taken to Perrysburg Hospital for medical evaluation. And that's going to wrap up today's wild police chases. What do you think? Should officers be using PIT maneuvers at speeds over 100 miles per hour? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chase breakdown.